Hello, I hope everyone is very well. Today is an exciting day for me. I have bought the base MacBook Air. So I'm not the type of person who upgrades their Mac every year. In fact, I am still using a 2014 base MacBook Pro as my daily laptop. I bought this 3 years ago, second hand. I spent £500 on it. So this is also the most expensive laptop I've ever purchased because I've never spent more than £500 on a computer. I've also never bought a brand new computer. So this is very exciting for me. So this is running the M1 chip, but it's running the base M1 chip. So it has a 7-core GPU and an 8-core CPU, 8GB of RAM and a 256GB SSD. So the reason why I went for the base MacBook Air over the slightly more expensive MacBook Air is mainly cost. I couldn't afford to spend any more money on it. And I was really excited to get it, and I couldn't justify any more expense really on a more expensive model. And I'm hoping that this is going to be great. So I'm super excited for this. This is, wow, I've never opened a brand new Apple product that isn't AirPods before. How on earth do you get this off? One MacBook Air. Another thing, you may be thinking, if I'm going to be using this as sort of my main university computer and also editing computer, why did I get a MacBook Air over a MacBook Pro? The main differences between the Air and the Pro is the Pro has the touch bar, louder speakers, a slightly better display and a fan. And really, from the videos that I saw, I don't think I needed all of those added things. This is going to do me, for what I need, for my workflow, this is perfect. And it's a very premium unpackaging experience. Let's have a look at what else comes in the box. A USB-C cable. And everything is wrapped in paper, which is great. Like, that's good for the environment. I can recycle all of this. I think this is just legal jargon and some stickers, which is very nice. The power brick, which is absolutely tiny. My MacBook at the moment that I use, the brick that I have to plug into the wall, it's got it's massive. This is tiny. Oh, I'm just dropping it. Okay. Right, well, that's everything that comes in the box. So my 2014 laptop, I'm just backing up on Time Machine right now. I can one-handed open it. Turned on immediately. Wow, wowzers. So my girlfriend has a MacBook Air that's a few years old. She's got the 2018 MacBook Air, right? And her keyboard is horrible. So I'm gonna test this. Oh, this keyboard is nice. I love it's got enough travel. The keys are really big. Oh, this keyboard is lovely.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
This looks gorgeous. I'm so happy with this. So my old laptop I'm actually going to sell to Music Magpie for £200. It's a shame that I'm selling it for so cheap, but the battery on it is completely toast and it's been dropped a lot, and I just keep it in my backpack, so it's not perfectly well looked after, if I'm being completely honest, which is sort of my fault. But yeah, this is just glorious. After seeing all the positive reviews for this laptop, I was like, I really wanted to upgrade. And after seeing the reviews, I was like, you know what, I think I'm just gonna do it. Wow, that keyboard is so different from my 2014 MacBook. The display is so nice. I think there was some complaints about this, about the design not being very modern, but I think the design on this is gorgeous. It feels just so nice. I love this. I think I'm just so happy with it. I think the next few videos that I make are gonna probably be videos about my Mac. unfortunately. From a Mac Time Machine or startup disk, yes. But yeah, this is really gorgeous and I'm super excited for it. And I know this was just a quick video, but it was more me being really excited and justifying to myself that I've just spent £900 on this. I was able to buy this for £900 because of the fact that I'm a student, so it didn't cost me anywhere near as much as like possible if I hadn't been a student. So I wanted to get this before I finished university as well. Yeah, this is gorgeous. I'm super excited for it. There's going to be a full review soon and some other little bits and pieces soon as well. But see you all again. I'm very excited for this computer.